Hello, this is Ray, Real Awesome Window Cleaning, and I've been doing some business work, adding up my expenses and so on like that for the business to see if I'm making a profit or not. And anyway, in spite of the 29.4% workers' comp charges that I have to pay before taxes. 29.4% of the payroll before taxes is what what state fund is charging me for workers' comp insurance for my workers, for my employees, and then the payroll taxes are like 7.1% after that. And then if there's any money left over after that, then there's a 15.3% self-employment tax on that. You know, after all my business expenses and gas and insurances and everything else. So as you can see, it takes a lot of work to make a profit in this business. But anyway, just thought I'd say hello to everybody. So over and out. Peace.